Hello guys, I am making crispy paratha for sehri breakfast. So first of all, apply butter on your hands and then take a small pira and just pat it evenly and then apply some butter on it. So my son is up for breakfast and I made this one for him. I normally eat paratha for my sehri as well. Just apply butter and then start rolling from one side to the other and then keep so I'm just doing it for you guys. Please watch it carefully and then roll it so that it's even all the way from top to bottom. So just roll it with your hands, make sure it's even, not too thick, not too thin, and then from one side just start rolling it like in this spiral form. And that's it, your pita is ready. And then apply some dry flour on it, pat it. So watch this step very carefully. So here it is. Now apply the flour again and then roll it with the rolling pin. Go upward and then come around from the right to the bottom. So keep applying the dry flour if you think it's sticking. Take it on the side. My pan is ready, it's hot, and just apply some oil on it and carefully put the paratha bread on that. Now let it cook from one side and apply the oil or butter, whatever you like, and then change the side after a while, and then let it cook again and apply the butter on the other side, butter or oil, whatever you like. And just make sure it's the heat is on medium flame, not too high, not too low, so that it becomes crispier and cooked from inside. So yeah, my paratha is ready, and enjoy it with any curry, yogurt.